bald spot. I'm too young for this. The first thing we want to do to get that gluey, that's weird. There is a leaf in my fur. Give me a second. We're good. There we go, I think. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. Welcome to my little home on YouTube. Today, I'm gonna show all the girls, all the guys out there who have dry, crusty, cracked skin, how to fake dewy, supple, soft skin in the winter. Hi, that's me. I have super dry, cracked skin. It's not even funny. And in the winter, it feels like I age 10 years. Okay, I'm over exaggerating, like 5. But I'm aging in the winter and it's very fast. So I'm gonna show you how to look very glowy, hydrated in the winter time, and also show you how to get this glossy lid look right here. I have been really loving the glossy lids lately and I wanted to incorporate it in like an everyday kind of a look. So if you wanna see how I got this look, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. The quad fam. The quad fam. I get a lot of questions on that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. So the first step that I do to get that glowy dewy look is to use the right primer. So the primer that I'm using today is from Farsali. This is the liquid glass primer. It's like a serum primer. And this is just gonna really help with the hydrated, moisturizing look that you want for your skin. So your skin looks just like this. So it's very hydrated and supple. So I'm gonna take some of this and use it on my face as a primer. One thing that I really like about this is that it dries quickly. So as soon as it dries, it's tacky, it's supple and like bouncy, and you can immediately see that your skin is going to have that nice hydrated looking layer. And then the next step to dewy looking skin, and the most important part, is using the right foundation. The foundation that I'm using is this one right here. It's a new one from Dior. This is the Forever Skin Glow. And right off the back, I want to tell you guys this video, and I'm so excited and happy to share this with you guys because I'm honored to be working with them. This video is sponsored by Dior. Thank you, Dior, for partnering up with me. Little old me. I'm so excited to be working with them. So I'm actually going to be showing you this foundation right here, which is the Skin Glow foundation, which is going to help you get that dewy effect on your skin. So this one is in the shade 3N. It's a 24-hour wear radiant perfection skin caring foundation with sunscreen. So you get sunscreen in it. It's a lasting hydration that's not going to fade away throughout the day. It's supposed to be 24 hours. So I am so excited to show you guys this. The hydration does set into the skin and you do not feel dry at all. And that's something that I really need for my skin because it is so dry, and especially during the winter, it's even worse. So this foundation is perfect for that. They also just came out with this one. This is Dior Forever, and this is in 3N. It's the 24-hour wear high perfection skin caring foundation with sunscreen. So this one also has sunscreen and it has a lasting comfort feeling. Like, this foundation is a matte finish, but it's a very comfortable matte. It doesn't pull on the skin. It doesn't feel like tight and heavy. It is a soft, comfortable, mattifying foundation, perfect for oily skin. But personally, I have dry skin, so this one is going to work perfect for me, and the coverage is really nice. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the face right now. So this comes with a little pump, which pumps are awesome. I love when less mess is available for the brand. I'm gonna go ahead and work this into the skin. This foundation is a little bit darker on my face, but it matches the rest of my body. I have a little bit of a faux tan happening on my body, so I'm a lot darker everywhere else. But this foundation is so freaking good. This is one of those pricier foundations that it's okay to splurge on sometimes because the quality is so amazing. It's not just putting a brand on a product and just marking it up like crazy. This actually is really good coverage, long lasting, and very hydrating. You can even see that the dewiness from the foundation is coming off in a very soft, natural way, not like a greasy way. This is one of those that you definitely have to splurge on, but it's gonna be worth it. If you just look at my hand, you can tell like my hand looks so much more dry on this side. It has nothing, but but on this side with the foundation, it looks so good. Do you guys see the difference? That's what's happening on my face, and I am so happy about it. It's not oily, so you're not getting that like oily look. It just looks like good skin, which is, you know, oh my gosh. And I know you guys are like, oh, it's sponsored, so we can't trust you. Honestly, I only work with brands that I know are good quality to refer to you guys. I would never want to refer a bad product that I haven't tried or that I don't care about. You know what I mean? So, I mean, obviously this is a good product. I mean, it's not just the brand, it's because the quality of the product is actually working for me. Just to let you know, because I know there's gonna be people in the comments that say that, but this truly is such an amazing, amazing foundation for dry skin, you guys. I am obsessed. Whew, I'm gonna be using this all winter, probably even through spring. I really like this. For the concealer, I'm gonna do something that's not super hydrating because then we're just gonna look a little oily. There has to be like that contrast in products, I feel like, personally for me. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer. This is mattifying, but it's only going on the areas where you would want it kind of mattified, like the under eyes and where you would want to brighten, which is down the center of the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so we're nice and brightened. I'm gonna do the eyes last just because I wanna really focus on the skin here. So the next thing I'm gonna pick up is a bronzer. This bronzer right here is from L'Oreal. That's the Camila Cabello Havana bronzer. It's called Sunlit Bronzer. It seems really dark. Well, it's for medium to deep. It's not as dark as it looks. So if you take a little bit of this and you spread it out, it just looks like a nice bronzy tan. I really like this for all over the face, and I wanna continue to have that dewy look. So I'm gonna take this on my beauty blender and just start to work that on my cheeks and around the temples, just like where I would put powder bronzer. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use this Hourglass highlighting stick right here. It's the Vanish stick. It's in the shade Gold Flash. And I'm gonna use that right on the areas I wanna highlight, like the cheekbones and the nose. And I like the way that it's kind of, you know, it's like a triangle, so it gets in those areas really nice. And then I'm going to work it in with my beauty blender. So now we're nice and glowing and bronzy and just super dewy. I love this look. Now I'm gonna add some color to my cheeks. For blush, I'm gonna add this Nars Orgasm Liquid Blush. Just looks like this. It's very pigmented. This is not shy. This is not a shy blush. I'm gonna use this with my finger and just tap it on my cheeks. We're just going to tap that in super softly, and you don't need that much. So this is more than enough. And I like using blush during the winter time. It just gives you a fresh, bright kind of look. So that is it. I actually have way too much on my hand, so I'm gonna go wipe this off and I'll be right back. All right, our hands are clean. Now I'm gonna go into setting the center of my face. I'm not gonna set all of my face because I will lose some of that glowy, dewy look, and I want it to look as natural as possible. If I add in like a powder, I feel like it just won't look as fresh. So I'm gonna take the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder and I'm gonna set the center of my face. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I want my eyes to be really soft and kind of a dewy, glowing look. I'm not gonna say dewy, but more so glowing. To do that, I'm going to start off with the Latte palette. This is Caramel from the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. I'm just gonna work that shade right into the crease just so we can have a natural, soft definition there. Some people feel like during the winter you can't have bronzy, glowing skin, but you totally can. Now I'm gonna take Hazelnut, which is that warm red brown, and I'm gonna use that more on the outer part of the crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of Mocha and put that on the outer part as well. I'm gonna hit the outer part of the crease too, just a little bit. I'm just gonna blend it in that corner to add a little more definition there. For the lid, I'm gonna go with this Tarte Chrome Paint shadow pot right here called Froze. Very, very cute name and a super pretty color. This is what it looks like in the pot, but it's really pretty. It has like a gold shift to it. It's really nice. So I'm gonna use that on the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and do a brown liner for this look. The liner I'm using is from Benefit, the roller liner. And this brown is so perfect for this look because it's not like super deep, dark brown, almost black. So I went for a little casual wing today. What is that in my hair? I'm gonna go ahead and now put on this brown liner from Kylie. Kylie has a brown pencil, so I'm just gonna work that on the lower lash line, but just halfway, not all the way. All right, so now that we have an eyeliner on, I wanted to try this eye gloss from Estee Lauder by Violet called Sheer Scandal. So I'm gonna take this and pop it on the top of this whole eye right here. I just want it to look really soft and glowy. Glossy lids is really in right now. I've seen it everywhere, so I wanted to incorporate it in today's video and show you guys that you can actually wear this on an everyday look. It doesn't have to be like an editorial photo shoot. I feel like you can even put this on your highlight areas. So now we're ready for the eyelashes. The lashes that I'm using today are Ethereal Light from House of Lashes. There's just this really pretty, soft, wispy looking lashes. So I'm gonna put those on really quick and I'll be back with some glam lashes, soft glam lashes. All right, so the lashes are on and now I'm gonna move on to the lips. So for the lip, I want something more warm, cozy, cuddly kind of a look to it. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This is the Bretman Rock X ColourPop collection and it's called BFF 3 and line my lips. I actually like this by itself. It's really neutral looking and pretty. But I'm gonna top it off with a lipstick. This one is from Laura Geller, and this is the shade Highline Honey. And I'm gonna put that right on top. And then for the gloss, I'm gonna take this Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in Discreet Nude. It's just a gloss. I'm gonna layer right over the top, right on the center. So this is the final look. It's very dewy, glowy, and warm looking. It just makes you want to cuddle by the fire on a cold winter night with your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, whatever, wife, and just look glam like this. I can see the picture now. I really love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and thumbs it up. It always just helps us out here on this YouTube channel. And if you haven't checked out these videos over to the side, check them out. They're waiting for you. If you haven't watched them, they're calling your name. Before I leave you, I always leave on a positive, inspirational, or motivational note for you guys. I want you guys to just look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am beautiful, because you are. I love you guys so much. Self-confidence is the most important thing to have. So I want you guys to remember that. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.